So, we got up late. See him laugh? We got up late. Which might be a good thing. Check this out. It is just raining. Let it pour, let it pour, let it pour. So, we're gonna wait for the rain to let up.
Yeah.
Because guess who forgot his rain gear? Yeah, that guy. I know, I probably shouldn't laugh, but it's funny.
She's gonna laugh anyway. It ain't gonna matter.
Yeah, I'm gonna laugh. So anyway, today, when this quits, and it's supposed to pass pretty quick, we'll go get some breakfast. Let the roads dry a little bit and stuff, because everybody knows you want to give it about 30 minutes after it starts raining before you take off on the bikes, because all that oil comes off the road and needs to have a chance to wash off so you don't go down and all. But we can go grab some breakfast here as soon as this quits, let the roads dry a little bit and everything.
Maybe make some coffee. Yeah, right.
If you want to make coffee, you can make coffee. We don't have any creamer though.
No, we don't.
Anyway, this is what today's Sunday, right? So
Today's
second full day of riding.
Yes.
Yesterday,
full day.
yeah. So we got Mount Nebo done yesterday, and Mount Magazine done. And let's see, today we're going to do the Pig Trail and Devil's Den, and probably crash somewhere up around the Springdale, Fayetteville, Rogers area.
Morning, Hunter.
Oh, morning, Hunter. We're going to try and stay up around the Springdale, Fayetteville, Rogers area, because we want to hit the Harley and Indian shop up there. And somebody wants a t-shirt from the Indian shop.
Maybe a set of rain gear.
That would probably be a smart thing.
Maybe.
Of course, it might be too late now. You guys sound like you're already a married couple. That's from your mom.
Oh my.
Right? It just comes natural.
I guess.
Man, it is a pouring. Look at this. You might ought to bring up the radar.
Why?
Let's see how long. When I was looking at it earlier, it wasn't supposed to last very long. And then we probably have a clear day and all. See what's going on. Can I turn this sideways? Will it work?
Yeah.
It might.
Yeah.
We might end up sideways on the video, though, if I do. My arm ain't that long.
No.
I'll just film you.
Just
There he
film
is.
me, yeah. You're filming me?
I'm filming you.
Oh, okay.
Filming you checking the radar.
Why is it not?
You don't have a little button that goes update? Follows you? Oh, you're on the Weather Channel app. That one sucks. You get the storm app.
How about what's the forecast?
Yeah, they have a radar though. My iPad's in the saddlebag. I ain't going to get it.
I didn't figure you were.
It's only 78 degrees.
It says it's clear and warm. Apparently it needs to update.
Well, it probably doesn't have your location right. Does it have Ozark? Arkansas?
Yeah.
Got to be smarter than your equipment. Or at least know how to use it. Oh, I hear sirens.
Somebody's off the road already. Well, it should have been that lightning strike.
It could be somebody had an accident on the interstate because they don't know how to drive in the wet weather.
Here comes some more sirens.
Yeah, that sounds like a fire truck or an ambulance. Yeah. There we go.
Oh,
EMTs. Somebody's probably hurt then. I'm going to say that's probably an accident then. Hopefully not on the pig trail.
yeah.
Because there'll be a bunch of people that probably took off early this morning. Zoom it in. Does it have a future radar on there? That's past radar. It's only giving past. You don't have the future.
Well, the Weather
Well,
Channel.
it's moving pretty quick.
Yeah.
So,
At least the bugs are cleaned off the bikes now.
not that that matters. Anyway. I gotta teach it. I don't use the Weather Channel app because
I don't
the
have the
radar
storm
sucks
app.
on it.
Okay, well, I don't have that.
The Storm app, which is Weather Underground, which is part of the Weather Channel, is a much better
There we
app for radar. Unless you're chasing hurricanes, then there's a hurricane app for that. Yes, I have that one too. Let's see.
Here's the.
Okay, what have you got? What's the triangles for? Is that
That's storms.
storm centers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Direction of thunderstorms.
Yeah. So is that the future?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
What
should
time?
be.
What time does it show it clears? Boom.
It's like quick. It's
I
gonna
know,
be over.
you gotta pause it.
I'm gonna pause it. Don't worry.
Pause it and drag it back. Drag the. Yeah, there you go. Drag it over. Drag it to the right.
Like,
Oh, oops. Don't hit play. Just manually drag it.
my finger's not calibrated.
Fat fingers. You want me to do it?
Go ahead, you do it. Oh, we're.
That's only showing now.
But it's on.
Oh well, it don't matter. It'll quit when it quits. It'll quit when it quits. So we'll go get some breakfast, let the roads dry a little bit, and then hey, what your mom said.
Of course, Snarf had to walk in front of the computer. They miss me when I don't visit. That's the cats.
Oh, okay. I totally understand that. Totally understand that. Anyway.
Anytime I go over Mom and Dad's, the cats come out of the network to friggin' come and find me.
Yeah. Mine meet me at the door. Of course, they're kind of trained for that. I give them treats when it's the last thing I do before I leave and the first thing I do when I walk in the house. So now, guess who has to do it too?
Like I ain't ever done it before.
Right? Bye, Mom. We will, Shannon. We will. Give Hunter a hug for us.
Yes. Give him a fist bump for me too.
We're gonna try and go inside and dry off because we had to grab our bags off the back of the bikes and stuff because we didn't have the rain shields on them yet. So, anyway,
I did ask if you wanted to put those on.
Yeah, I know, but I figured we would be sitting somewhere or do something. Yeah, we are. We ain't gonna fall down. But anyway. All right, we're gonna get off here. Y'all have an awesome day and watch for the photos.